Today we'll be looking at the pencil tool, which is probably the most simple tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin by hitting Command L for a new layer. Let's name it pencil and hit the N key, N as in north. Let's make ourselves a little squiggle, and right away you'll see that all the imperfections of your hand are recorded by Illustrator. Thankfully, as soon as you let go, the program smooths things out for you. You can hit V for selection and go over to Properties and adjust your stroke for something thinner or thicker. Now if you want an object with a fill in it, we'll again hit N and let's make a circle. And as soon as you come back to your starting point, you'll see this little ring notifying you that you now finished the object. Hit F6 for your color palette and select a color. Now, delete. Let's say you do want a perfectly straight line. Hold down the Shift key and you'll have the option of doing a horizontal line, a vertical line, or a 45-degree angle.